Good morning, all and every present here.
Good morning.
How are you?
We are fine. And how are you?
So I would like to introduce myself. Myself Amit, and I am from Kudod, and I am selected in Indian Air Force. That's all about me. And now, if you have any queries regarding me, you can ask me.
What do you think about Indian soldiers?
I think the mentality of Indian soldier is very high and in a high level, and the life of Indian soldier is not easy that we think about them. So I think they survive very hard condition, and every situation they survive, and they fight for our motherland for ours. So I think the Indian soldiers is, life is very difficult.
Tell me about something Siachen.
Siachen. The temperature of Siachen is I think -20 or -22. I think that condition is very difficult. We cannot survive in that condition. In winter season, in our local areas, the temperature is 2 degree or 3 degree. In that situation, that is very difficult for ourselves to visit any palace, to visit market. So you can think that what is the condition is Siachen.
What do you think about corruption?
I think corruption is a main problem for our country, for a developing and underdeveloped country. I think the relationship with criminals and politicians are the main reason behind the corruption. And many deserving conditions like education field and medical field is also in corruption, because many deserving candidates are not getting their seats because of corruption, and undeserving conditions are got these seats. So so many students are going to in abroad for their highest studies like MBBS or engineering.
Tell us something about your personality.
I think I am a good person, and I don't know about me a lot.
What are your views on pollution?
Pollution is also a big problem for ourselves. Like we see in our local areas, in Chidawa and Sultanaj, in many areas, this is the big problem for our country, and many diseases are spreading because of pollution. If we talk about our river, that is Ganga, and dolphin is in the miserable condition because of pollution. So I think this is the big problem, and we have to solution this kind of problem.
Which step we have to take?
Which step we have to take to remove pollution in our society?
Our government is taking good steps for removing pollution. Like in 2016, our government launched a scheme, that is Namami Gange Yojana, and I think that is the better step to removing pollution.
Are you satisfied with your PM?
Yeah, I am satisfied with our PM. Our PM is a good person, and they take many steps for our country, like demonetization and many big steps for our country. And in this war of Russia and Ukraine, our Prime Minister get many big step to our students that was in Ukraine.
Before some time, you have told that you are selected in Indian Air Force. And what is the motto of Indian Air Force?
Sorry, I don't know about that.
What do you think about the EBI teacher?
I think our EBI institute is very good institute in our area, and our teacher is very hard working and very good teacher. They motivate us to speaking English, and they want to remove our hesitation. So today they organized a session, and that is very good for our hesitation and our future.
Do you think politics and religious is the worst combo ever?
I think the religious in politics is very harmful, and in my opinion, that is a religious card is very harmful for our future and for our youth generation. This is spoil our mindset and and our youth. That's all about in our session. Thank you very much.